Hey, Math by Music Kids.
Kids.
Thank you so much for coming back to our channel.
channel.
Okay, today we are going to learn the next lesson in Papa Smith's teacher guide. Now, do you remember this guide that we showed you the last week? We printed this out, and now we're going to do each lesson together. Last week we did 0 plus a number. And Brendan, do you remember what it says in the song 0 plus a number?
0 plus a number equals that number.
Exactly.
0 plus a number equals that number.
Good job. Okay. So now that we've learned that, if you notice, the first part of this lesson goes over 0 plus. So after we've refreshed our memories on 0 plus a number is just that number, now we can go ahead and move to 1 plus. So this is what it's showing us. Do you see the number line on this page?
Yep, do you see the number line on the page?
Good job, Brandon. I see it. It's right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to write it on the board and we're going to go through this lesson together. So here we go. Okay, so as it says in the guide, let's try using the number line. So to do 1 plus, the song says 1 plus the number is the next number. So 0 plus is that number. But 1 plus a number is actually the next number, okay? So for example, what number comes after 1 here on the number line, Brendan?
2.
Awesome. What comes after 2 on the number line?
3.
And what comes after 4 on the number line?
4.
Oh, what comes after 4 on the number line?
5.
Yes, this is how easy doing 1 plus a number is. So for example, if we move to the add facts, okay, now we've done it on the number line, let's try it here, okay? So 4 plus 1 is, what is it, Brendan?
5.
It is. Brendan, can you explain to us why 4 plus 1 is 5? 1 plus the number is the next number.
1 plus a number is the next number.
Yes, good job. The reason why 4 plus 1 equals 5 is because 5 comes after 4. Okay, so look on the number line again. If you look at 4, 5 is the very next number. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And even when the math fact is written like this, okay, even when the number 1 is on the top, it still equals 5, okay? The arrangement of the add fact doesn't make this answer different. It's the same. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and 1 plus 4 equals 5, okay? Now let's do the threes. If we're using the number line, what comes after 3, Brendan?
4.
Yes. So 3 plus 1 equals 4 because 1 plus the number is the next number. 1 plus a number is the next number. 1 plus a number is the next number. Now we can do our ones. So if I put 1 on the top of 3, it's still 4. So if you haven't heard 1 plus a number song, I want you to go back and click the link on the description below this video, and I want you to memorize that song. Okay, now before we go on to the illustration, Brendan wanted to tell you all a joke.
Why 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
I hope y'all like that joke. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 7, 8, and 9. But see, 7, 8, 9 too. Okay, good job, Brendan. All right. Okay, let's review 0 plus really quick. So, how does the 0 plus song go, Brendan?
0 plus a number equals that number.
0 plus a number equals that number. Okay, so that's a really important line to memorize because what it's saying is 0 plus 8 is just going to equal 8. That's all that the song is saying, okay? Even when 5 plus 0 is added, it's going to equal 5, okay? Because 0 plus a number is just that number that it's being added to. So even if 0 is being added to 15, it's just going to be 15, okay? And if 0 is being added to 18, then it's just going to be 18. So remember, 0 plus a number is just that number it's being added to.
0 plus the number equals that number.
0 plus the number equals that number. 0 plus the number equals that number. Now we can do our ones. 1 plus the number is the next number. 1 plus the number is the next number. Now we can do our ones.
Now we can do our ones.
Actually, okay. So now that we've done our zeros, let's move on to 1 plus. So Brendan, based on the song, what does 9 plus 1 equal on the number line?
9 plus 1 is 10.
And what does the song say?
1 plus the number is the next number. 1 plus the number is the next number.
Perfect. So based on the song, 1 plus the number is the next number, and which means 9 plus 1 is 10 because 10 comes after 9. And it's so much easier to do it on the number line because you can see exactly what number comes after each number. So let's do 6 plus 1. So on the number line, what comes after 6, Brendan?
7.
Good.
8.
Okay, because 1 plus a number is the next number. 1 plus a number is the very next number, which means 6 plus 1 equals 7. Good job, everybody.
Yeah, good job. You did so great.
You
Thank you
did.
for learning with us.
Okay, let's go back to the guide, the lesson in the guide, and let's just make sure that we were able to review everything. So we did write the number line on the board, okay? And it says when we say the next number, we mean the number 4, we mean the number after 4, which we've done. So you've seen that we illustrated that on the number line. And now, because we got to the end of the lesson, we're able to move on to 2 plus a number. So that is great. Thank you so much for watching, kids. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.
Bye.